Okay, so today I'm here to tell you about Marley's Monsters. These are amazing, the UNpaper towel. These are so much better for the environment because they're reusable. And on top of that, we're saving a ton of money. It's a woman-run company. They're really focused on zero waste practices in all of their corporate culture. They're really simple to use as well. So basically when you go through a roll, you just drop them here in this bag. You can also use these eco-friendly sponges for the dishes, drop those in, throw it in the wash. I recommend having 2 to 3 rolls or more depending on how often you go through paper towels to make sure that you always have replacements while you drop these in the water. They're really absorbent and these things will last for years. So not only are we saving money, but we're gonna be saving money for years off of this initial amount of towels that we have. Go get your Marley's Monsters, UNpaper towel bundles.